Hello everyone, I'm Sindhya. I'm here to show you an easy and effective way to record your lessons using the TV at home and your laptop. The schools are closed because of this current COVID pandemic situation. The government, along with the educational leaders, are looking out for different strategies to resume back the schools without hampering the safety of the students. Here, we really need to appreciate the students, the teachers, and the schools because they have been exploring new technologies and new ways to reach out to the students and to educate them. One approach that is being recommended and widely used is to record the video lessons and share it back with the students. Through this approach, the students get the feel of learning it from their favorite teachers, as well as they also have the flexibility of learning it at their own pace. But this is not an easy task. We have seen the struggle the teachers undergo during this process. So in this video, we would like to show you the easiest and the most effective way to record video lessons and share it with your students like a super teacher so that they feel as if they have attended a real classroom session. So for this, all you need is a TV, a laptop, and Iris One. Iris One is a portable device which can actually convert your TV into a touchscreen. Since it's portable in nature, you could use it on the TVs in the classrooms, as well as you can bring it back to your home and use it on the TV in your living space to teach and record beautiful lessons. So now let's see how to make this setup. The setup is really simple. Place your laptop in front of your TV in such a height that you can actually capture your video. And then you have to connect the HDMI of the TV to your laptop. So currently you must be connecting your HDMI of the TV to your set-top box, right? So in a similar way, have that HDMI connected to your laptop so that your desktop is actually visible on the TV. If you can see right now, you will be able to see my desktop over here. And then I place this Iris One device on top of my TV. So Iris One has a simple clamp, so it becomes really simple for me to just keep it on top of the TV and then place it firmly over there. And Iris One has a simple USB connection which I have just connected to my laptop. So now I have completed my setup. And if you see right now, the TV has been converted into a touchscreen so that I will be able to write or draw or record my lessons easily. So now let's see how this works. Since you have already connected your Iris One with the laptop, now you will be able to control your laptop from this TV with the help of this stylus. So Iris One device also comes with a software which is actually going to enable us to capture this video. So I just click on that software. And then the next step will be to click here and you will get an option called as Eyesight. So now you can just place it over here and then resize it to the extent that how you want the video to be captured and then place it towards the end. And now you are all set. You will be able to write over here. Let's consider we are going to take a topic of the types of the forest for today's lesson. So I'm going to write types of forest here. So if you can see in this setup, whatever the teacher is teaching is being captured using this whiteboard, and then the video of the teacher is being captured using this, and you have an option to record everything which will open a pop-up wherein it will allow you to save your video lessons. So you can give the name accordingly and select the folder and click on save option so that this video is actually getting saved in that particular folder which you can retrieve it later. So now the recording has started. You can teach the way how you used to teach in your classroom. Just make sure you're looking at the laptop camera because that's going to capture your video, and you can use the TV like your whiteboard and write on it and explain the concepts. Iris One provides a set of teaching tools in the whiteboard. You have a pen tool, highlighter tool, geometric tools like scale, protractor, compass. You have a text recognition tool which can actually convert your handwritten text into a digital text. And most importantly, it also gives you a built-in search engine through which you can just drag and drop images or videos from the web right inside the whiteboard. Now you have already recorded your video lessons and it is saved in your computer, which you can share it. So for today, let's take that we are going to teach about solar system. So you can directly write solar system over here and then convert that into a digital text and then directly drag and drop it for searching images or videos or relevant text about the particular topic that you are going to teach. So I have written solar system, I have got the relevant video, I have got the relevant image which I have just dragged and dropped it into my whiteboard. You also have a PHET widget using which there are like lots of widgets available for every subject. So you can actually search for solar system also and you can pull in the widget and you can show the solar system in a more interactive way to the students.